Hello everyone! Welcome to the Unsalted Kitchen. Today's recipe is about how to make banana oatmeal cookies, a breakfast or snack on the go. Here's how to make it. The ingredients we're going to need for making banana oatmeal cookies are 2 eggs, 1 cup brown sugar, 2 sticks or 1 cup unsalted butter. I ran out of the half sizes of butter sticks, so I'm using the quarters instead. 2 3/4 cups old-fashioned oatmeal, 1 large banana, 1 teaspoon vanilla flavor, 2 cups all-purpose flour, half cup dried cranberries, half cup dried apricots, 1.5 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 3/4 cup raw pumpkin seeds. Alright folks, let's get started. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and begin with making room by putting all these ingredients aside. Next, mash banana in a bowl using fork, but you are welcome to use a potato masher if you prefer. Crack and beat the eggs into mashed banana together. Add brown sugar and mix well to combine, then set it aside. Next, cut butter in smaller pieces to melt it faster. Melt butter for about 30 to 45 seconds, but 15 seconds at a time so that it won't overheat and blow up inside the microwave. After butter is melted, set it aside to cool and begin combining all the ingredients starting with oatmeal, flour, give a little stir, add dried cranberries and apricot, give a little stir again, add pumpkin seeds, cinnamon powder, baking soda, egg, banana, and sugar mixtures, add vanilla and melted butter, and mix all these ingredients until well combined. Drop mixture by small rounded spoonfuls onto a baking sheet. It doesn't need much space in between because these oatmeal mixtures will not expand like other cookies. When done, bake cookies for 12 minutes. These healthy and perfect for breakfast snacks and kids-friendly banana oatmeal batch makes 24 pieces of cookies. There you go folks, all done. Thank you for watching again. If you like this video, then hit like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get updates for more videos. See you later. Bye!